Victoria, the Happy Stitching Nurse. It is June 1st, and I will be giving away this Star Wars kit. It comes with a pattern. It comes with a pattern for all these different characters from Star Wars. As you can see, I have behind me my Star Wars that I did. It did not call for backstitching in it, so I added the backstitching myself, just as a heads up. So I didn't have a whole lot of comments on my floss tube number 2, so there's not too many of you that are competing for this pattern. So I have added everybody's name. There's only 4 of you, so best of luck. I am going to go into this spin, and as you can see, everybody's name shows up a couple times. I'm going to go ahead and push. Okay, come on, spin. And good luck to you. Carol Webster, you're the winner. So I will have my email down below. You can send me your address and I will get that package sent to you. Congratulations. And I will see you next time.